So hello friends, back to another video. In this video we will make an automation system with the help of Arduino and the SC06 Bluetooth module for serial communication. We also use some general components like male-female headers, some jacks and some LEDs and the couple of capacitors. First we quickly assemble all the components in place. Now solder all the components. You need to check the circuit diagram for more details and understand how the connections are made. Here these three LEDs are optional because the Arduino and the Bluetooth module already have power identification LED. I am skipping here the wiring part because I already given the circuit diagram link in the description. You can download it and see the circuit diagram. Please note, here I supply the 12 volts because I am using the 7805 regulator IC. If you are using the Arduino AMS 1117 IC, so you cannot supply 12 volts, you can supply 6 to 9 volts. So guys, in this project we only use 6 relays because the Arduino has only 13 digital pins, 6 for the buttons and 6 for the relays. So for now we only use 6 relays. The important thing is that you can control your 6 relays with your Android device at the same time with manual switches without any delay. So guys, here you can see our project is done and it's working pretty good. Here I am showing 2 applications by which you control this automation system. But you can use any application, but the important thing is that the sending data is same as in the code. So check the code and see the variables of each channel. So guys, this is for now. I hope you like the video. If you have any query about this project, you can ask me in comment box freely. Guys, literally it took a lot of time, so please considering to subscribe my channel. Take care and stay tuned for the next video.